I have a C. Fanta lemon plus C.
Oh yes, I love it.
What you want, what you want, what you gonna do?
What if you could learn real English, the way people actually speak, while watching a real-life TV show full of action and drama? Leo and Bela friends, let's get started with the main phrases and summary of the video so you get an idea what will be working today. I'm looking forward to it. I couldn't believe it. You're gonna enjoy this. That makes sense. Foreigners look like I would totally try that. No way, I got tricked. In this video, the host reacts to a collection of funny and bizarre Japanese commercials, many of which feature wild animations, unexpected endings, and over-the-top humor. They comment on the cultural differences in advertising styles, noting how Japanese ads often include manga, anime, and exaggerated characters. The creator is especially surprised by how foreigners are depicted, often with blonde hair, blue eyes, and pale skin, as well as how some products, like noodles, appear again and again in creative ways. Throughout the video, the host expresses shock, amusement, and curiosity, making it both an entertaining and insightful watch. They invite Japanese viewers to help explain parts of the ads and encourage everyone to enjoy the fun experience.
Hell yes! Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Alex, and as I promised you guys, it's time to watch some funny Japanese commercials. I was really looking forward to this video because I wasn't aware how fantastic and phenomenal these Japanese commercials are. Now, there is something about the commercials. Each country has a different, slightly different sense of humor, mixed with a different culture, traditions, and history. Now, every time I watch Polish commercials, especially those from 80s or 90s, they are so inappropriate. But I never actually thought about watching Japanese ones. And I found one of the videos online by complete coincidence, and I could not believe how much it's influenced by the manga and anime. Beautiful. And seeing how different commercials certain companies have there in Japan or in America or in the UK, unbelievable. Like, some of these commercials would not pass in other European countries, and yet in Japan they thrive. I just love Japanese sense of humor, distance they have to themselves, and how crazy some of these commercials are. So I highly encourage you to check it out with me. I'm going to watch some of the commercials that I haven't seen before, just to give you a first time reaction experience. I'm sure there will be some Japanese people watching this video, so Ohayo, konnichiwa. Hope you're gonna enjoy this video. And yeah, let's get on with it. And by the way, if you are a non-Japanese person and you haven't seen these adverts yet, try guessing what these commercials might be about, because I guarantee that you will be surprised. I'm going to try to guess, because I think it's fun, but some of them just feel like they're not related to what the advert is actually about. But then I don't actually know Japanese, so I don't actually know what they are saying. Oh my god, this is gonna be super exciting. Noodles, okay, well that's easy. Wow. That's a big spoon. What the heck? Nani? That is so weird. Okay, I see what's going on. Dreams come true. Oh, okay, Prime. Yeah, that makes sense. Kind of.
I have a Fanta. I have a lemon. I have a C. Fanta lemon plus C.
Oh yes, I love OMG.
しい。
It's a game, and they just have Toyota in the background because why not? Made in Japan. One thing I've got to say right about these commercials is that if there is a European woman in these commercials, she is blonde with a fair, pale skin and blue eyes, because I think that's what she's a foreigner. I guess that's what foreigners look like to some of the Japanese people, which is nothing wrong about it. I think it's just fascinating because obviously there are no naturally looking Japanese people, I'm guessing. A majority of people have dark brown hair or they dye them in blonde, but it's fascinating, right? That that's how they depict a foreigner women. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I mean, I would have a go. I'd totally try because I love coffee. But it's a golden bean. It's probably not golden at all.
Alright, a couple of quick things from Sensei before we jump back in. Let me share some interesting data with all my friends watching. You're looking at a racial and ethnic chart for California from 2023. The largest group here is Latinos, making up about 40% of the population. And white people are next at 34%. That's actually why if you ever visit Los Angeles, you'll notice so many Hispanic or Latino communities. It's a big part of the culture here. Oh, and by the way, if you ever come to LA, you have to check out San Diego too. It's super fun, beautiful, and full of cool spots. I'll leave a link in the description with my favorite places and things to do in San Diego. Okay, one more thing before we jump back to the video. In Japan, there's a word you often hear in the media, gaikoku-jin. I've always had mixed feelings about that word, because I grew up in Japan as a foreigner. Even though I spoke Japanese fluently, even if I looked like I fit in, I still felt like I was always seen as an outsider. And honestly, that's one of the reasons I eventually decided to move to the US. So I'm curious, what do you think about the word gaikoku-jin in Japan? Have you ever felt this way? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.
It's gonna be about mobile games. 100%. Okay. Mario. So, this is gonna be about a mobile game, right?
May I have your Instead of saying going to, try to say gonna. You'll hear this word a lot. Now you know what it means.
I don't know what kind of... I mean, is there a Mario mobile game online? Perhaps? It's not... No way, they totally tricked me. I thought they are going to advertise a mobile game or something like that. And it's actually about a drink with a vitamin C. Energy drink perhaps? Something like that. Tricked me big time. Well, that's definitely about noodles, obviously, because it's Nisi.
Mini quiz 1. What does I got tricked mean? A. I did something amazing. B. I was fooled or deceived. C. I made a smart choice. Correct answer. B. 2. Which phrase would you use when you're excited about something coming soon? A. What the heck? B. You're gonna enjoy this. C. I'm looking forward to it. Correct answer. C. 3. In the video, how are foreigners usually depicted in Japanese commercials? A. Wearing traditional Japanese clothes. B. With blonde hair, blue eyes, and pale skin. C. Speaking fluent Japanese. Correct answer. B. Great job today, Bela and Leo friends.
バイラとレオのチャンネルへようこそ。このチャンネルでは動画を通じてネイティブがよく使うフレーズをバイラとレオの友達のみんなに解説していきます。先生の目標はこのチャンネルを通じて一人でも多く英会話に自信を持ってほしい。そしていいコミュニティを築き上げたいです。 今日学んだリアル英語、ぜひ使ってみてね。皆さんのコメントがより良い動画作りの助けになります。次に学びたいことを教えてください。アメリカのワーク学校ってどんな感じ？留学するのに英語はどのぐらい必要？コメントで聞いてくれたら動画で取り上げるかもしれません。皆さんのコメントお待ちしてます。